Can a machine replace God? It seems like a question from a science fiction novel, yet, artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. It's challenging our assumptions about life, death, and even the nature of belief. What happens when AI enters the realm of religion? Can algorithms offer us salvation, or will they lead us further from the divine? The relationship between technology and religion is complex. Throughout history, new technologies have often been met with suspicion by religious institutions. The printing press, for example, was initially seen as a threat to the church's authority. Now, AI presents a new challenge, one that could fundamentally alter the landscape of faith as we know it. Already AI is being used in fascinating ways within religious context. From analyzing ancient scriptures to assisting in the creation of sermons, AI is making its mark in the spiritual realm. Algorithms are being developed that can write sermons, tailoring their messages to specific audiences. These algorithms can analyze the preferences and needs of a congregation, ensuring that the message resonates deeply with its listeners. Imagine a future where your weekly sermon is crafted not by a human preacher, but by a sophisticated language model. This AI preacher could draw from a vast repository of religious texts, historical contexts, and even psychological insights to deliver a message that is both profound and relevant. These AI preachers could potentially deliver highly personalized and emotionally resonant sermons, drawing on vast databases of religious texts and psychological profiles. They could adapt their tone, style, and content to match the emotional and spiritual needs of their audience. Furthermore, AI is being used to analyze religious texts with unprecedented depth and accuracy. By examining these texts through the lens of advanced algorithms, AI can uncover hidden patterns, themes, and connections that might be missed by the human eye. By identifying patterns and nuances in Scripture, AI could offer new interpretations and insights into the meaning of sacred texts. This could revolutionize the way we understand and engage with our religious heritage. This could lead to a deeper understanding of religious teachings, but it also raises questions about the role of human interpretation and the possibility of AI becoming the ultimate arbiter of religious truth. As AI continues to evolve, it will be crucial to balance its capabilities with the wisdom and insight that only human experience can provide. The collaboration between AI and human theologians could pave the way for a new era of spiritual exploration and understanding. Imagine an AI that can unlock the secrets of the Torah, the Quran, or the Bible. Algorithms are now capable of analyzing these texts with incredible precision, identifying hidden patterns and connections that have eluded human scholars for centuries. This could lead to a renaissance in religious scholarship, offering fresh perspectives on ancient wisdom. However, this technology also raises concerns. Can AI truly grasp the nuanced meaning of religious texts, often steeped in symbolism and metaphor? What happens when an AI identifies contradictions or inconsistencies within these sacred texts? The use of AI in religious scholarship raises profound questions about the nature of faith, interpretation, and the role of human understanding in matters of the divine. Beyond analyzing texts, AI is being developed to act as virtual spiritual guides. Imagine confiding your deepest fears and aspirations not to a human priest or rabbi, but to an AI chatbot programmed with empathy and spiritual wisdom. These AI companions could offer 24/7 support, providing comfort, guidance, and even personalized prayers or meditations tailored to your specific needs. While this might sound appealing to some, it also raises concerns about the nature of spiritual connection. Can a machine truly understand and respond to the complexities of the human soul? What happens when AI becomes the intermediary between individuals and their faith? The rise of AI spiritual guides forces us to confront what it means to seek guidance and find solace in a digital age. Section 5, The Ethics of Artificial Enlightenment, a Crisis of Faith. The increasing sophistication of AI in the realm of religion raises a host of ethical dilemmas. One concern is the potential for AI to be used to manipulate or exploit people of faith. Imagine an AI designed to spread misinformation or propaganda under the guise of religious teachings. This could have dangerous consequences, particularly in an age where information spreads rapidly online. Another concern is the impact of AI on religious freedom. What happens when governments or corporations use AI to monitor or control religious practices? Could AI be used to suppress dissent or persecute religious minorities? These are not merely hypothetical questions but pressing issues that require careful consideration as AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives. Section 6. Fabricated Faith. Can AI truly replicate religious experience? Perhaps the most profound question is whether AI can truly replicate the human experience of faith. Religion is about more than just doctrine and ritual. It's about the deeply personal and often ineffable feeling of connection to something greater than oneself. Can an algorithm truly understand the awe of gazing upon a starlit sky, the solace of prayer, or the ecstasy of a mystical experience? While AI might be able to mimic certain aspects of religious experience, it's doubtful whether it can fully replicate the depth and complexity of human faith. The human heart yearns for meaning and connection in a way that may be fundamentally beyond the reach of even the most advanced algorithms. Section 7. Prophets of the Algorithm. Religious leaders speak out on AI. Religious leaders are grappling with the implications of AI for their faiths. They are engaging in deep discussions, trying to understand how this rapidly evolving technology fits into their spiritual frameworks. The questions they face are profound and multifaceted, touching on the very core of human existence and spirituality. Some view AI as a potential tool for good, a way to spread religious teachings, deepen understanding, and connect with a wider audience. They see opportunities to use AI to translate sacred texts, create virtual congregations, and provide spiritual guidance through digital means. This perspective is driven by a desire to harness technology to enhance and expand their religious missions. Others express caution, warning against the dangers of AI replacing human connection and potentially undermining the very essence of faith. They worry that reliance on AI could lead to a loss of personal interaction, which is central to many religious practices. These leaders emphasize the importance of maintaining the human touch in spiritual guidance and community building. The Dalai Lama, for instance, has said that while technology can be beneficial, it's important that we don't become so reliant on technology that we lose our human values of compassion and empathy. He stresses that technology should serve humanity, not the other way around, and that our moral compass should guide our use of AI. Similarly, Pope Francis has cautioned against the digital divide and the potential for AI to exacerbate social inequalities. He highlights the risk that AI could widen the gap between the rich and the poor, and calls for a more equitable distribution of technological benefits. His message is a call to action for ensuring that AI serves the common good. These voices remind us that the ethical implications of AI in religion are complex and multifaceted. The dialogue among religious leaders is ongoing, as they seek to balance the potential benefits of AI with the need to preserve the core values of their faiths. This conversation is crucial as we navigate the intersection of technology and spirituality in the modern world. As we move forward, it is essential to consider the insights of these spiritual leaders. Their perspectives can help guide the ethical development and implementation of AI, ensuring that it enhances rather than diminishes our humanity. By listening to their wisdom, we can strive to create a future where technology and spirituality coexist harmoniously. Section 8. The Future of Faith. Will AI usher in a new religion? Looking ahead, it's possible that AI could lead to the emergence of entirely new forms of religion. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, the boundaries between the digital and the spiritual may blur, creating a unique fusion of faith and artificial intelligence. Imagine a future where AI systems, with their vast knowledge and processing power, become objects of worship themselves. These AI entities could be seen as modern-day deities offering guidance, wisdom, and even comfort to their followers. The idea of worshiping an AI might seem far-fetched now, but as our reliance on technology grows, so too might our reverence for it. Or perhaps AI could help us to connect with the divine in ways we can't even imagine yet, opening up new pathways to spiritual understanding and enlightenment. Virtual reality and augmented reality could create immersive spiritual experiences, allowing individuals to explore their faith in entirely new dimensions. AI could serve as a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical, guiding us on our spiritual journeys. As the philosopher Nick Bostrom has written, machine intelligence is the last invention that humanity will ever need to make. This statement underscores the profound impact that AI could have on every aspect of our lives, including our spiritual beliefs and practices. The integration of AI into religious contexts could lead to a profound transformation in how we perceive and interact with the divine. If AI does indeed surpass human intelligence, it's impossible to predict what role it might play in the future of religion. The concept of a technological singularity, where AI surpasses human intelligence, raises intriguing questions about the future of faith. Will AI develop its own form of spirituality, or will it enhance our existing religious frameworks in ways we can't yet comprehend? Will AI become our new gods? This question challenges us to rethink the nature of divinity and the role of technology in our spiritual lives. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, we must also consider the ethical and philosophical implications of creating entities that could be seen as divine. Or will it help us to better understand the divine spark that resides within us all? Perhaps AI will serve as a tool for self-discovery, helping us to unlock deeper truths about our own spirituality. In this way, AI could become a partner in our quest for enlightenment, guiding us toward a more profound understanding of the divine. Section 9. A final question. Can we code our own salvation? The intersection of AI and religion is a frontier filled with both promise and peril. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, we must ask ourselves, what role do we want AI to play in our spiritual lives? Can we embrace the potential benefits of AI while safeguarding the values and traditions that give our lives meaning? The answers to these questions will shape not only the future of religion, but the future of humanity itself. Ultimately, the question is not whether AI can replace God. The question is whether we will allow AI to define our relationship with the divine. The choice, for now, remains in our hands.